Savannah was born on January 3rd.
It was a surreal experience being first-time parents and then welcoming her to the world. We went through the infant hearing program, did our first hearing test at the clinic, and that one was a little bit inconclusive. That's when it sort of gave us more of an inkling that something wasn't exactly right. Once we got word of the actual diagnosis, it was a little heartbreaking. At University Hospital, Dr. Bajin was doing this groundbreaking procedure here that spoke about ABI.
ABI is auditory brainstem implant. It's a special hearing implant that we put directly on the brainstem. Those special kids that has inner ear malformations that's so severe that they cannot benefit from a cochlear implant, ABI is a game changer. That's their lifeline to hear anything and then develop language skills.
Once he clapped his hand first time and she turned her head to recognize it, that was right there. It was very, very overwhelming. It was a sense that,
we actually have a
hey,
video
it
of
worked, and yeah, it worked great.
Are you Princess?
Yeah, there's hope.
Yeah.
Hi,